What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to import any browser data into Google Chrome. So I'm going to show you a handful of browsers and you will see that it works for basically any type of browser that you will have. So let me go ahead and start with Firefox. So I'm going to open up my Firefox browser here. And once you're inside Firefox, guys, you want to click the three lines on the uppermost right hand side. Then you want to click on Bookmark. Then you want to click on Manage Bookmark on the lower right hand side there. And then you want to click on Import and Backup. From here, you'll have a bunch of options. And as you can see here, you can export bookmark to HTML. Simple tap on that and save it wherever you want. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go ahead and save it into downloads. So I'm going to select download folder here and I'm going to simply save it. You want to ensure that you save it as HTML as I showed you there, and this goes for any other browser. Now I'm going to simply close out of this now, guys, and I'm going to show you how it works for another browser. Let's take Opera for example. Yeah, so once your Opera browser is open, guys, click on the Opera logo on the upper left hand side, and then you want to simply click on Bookmark. From here you will see export bookmark. So if you tap on that, you will get the option to export the HTML as well. So I'm going to simply go ahead and choose download again, and I'm going to simply save it. I'll try another browser as well to show you. Edge. So I'm going to open up my Edge browser here. Once you're inside Edge, click the three dots on the upper right hand side, and you want to simply click on favorites. Then click the three dots again under the favorites right beside the pin icon here. Click the three dots, and from here you also have the export favorites. So if you tap on that, you will also get the option to save this HTML file as well, and go ahead and save. Now as you can see, guys, if I open up my downloads folder as well, you will see that I have those three bookmarks, right? So this is how you can easily export the bookmarks now, and it works across other browsers. It's similar, you just need to find the bookmark and you can import export bookmark. Right, so now that I have this here, guys, I'm going to show you how you would import this into your Edge, into your Google Chrome browser. So go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser. And once you're inside Google Chrome, click the three dots on the uppermost right hand side, and then you want to simply click on Bookmark and List, and then you want to simply click on Import Bookmark and Settings. From here, you'll get a little pop-up box, and you want to click on this little drop down and simply click Bookmark HTML file. Once this is selected, all you have to do is just go ahead and find those favorite HTML files. Go ahead and select the one that you want. And once you select the one that you want, guys, all you have to do is just simply click on open and then import. And that's all there is to it. And that's how easy it is. You can easily import your favorites from any browser that you may have right into Google Chrome.